YouTubers, Merry Christmas. Today we'll be unboxing of the Xbox 360 Elite with 2 free games. That comes with Lego Batman, the video game, and Pure. I also have Xbox Wireless Live controller. So let's unbox this. This is how you open it. Get my Ginsu knife. First thing here you get is a starter's guide, some different language. Then you get the Beatles rock band. Get a free Avatar shirt, that's pretty awesome. And free live membership. Yep. Then you have your actual console here. And I think it says welcome in like a bunch of different languages on the actual wrapper. So let's put that aside for now. Then you get your Lego Batman for free. Then you get some care for your Xbox, two different languages. Then you have some flaps here. Flaps keep closing. You get your wireless controller. Oh, and each wrapper actually says something different on them. This wrapper says play in a bunch of different languages. Generously, they give you the batteries for it. They give you your LAN cable, your gigantic power brick, which I'm pretty sure they slimmed this down. No, I don't think they did. I heard some talk about them making a slimmed down version of the power brick. But here's the power brick. The orange wrapper says connect. The power brick cable says power in different languages. Oh, here's your actual connector to your actual cord to your power brick. And this probably says cord or something. It says plug in different languages. Here is your output. This is only for the regular old left and right stereo and your video cord. That's very disappointing because I remember the first Elites had a dual head. This and also your HD connectors. This wrapper says play. And you get your headset. Your standard headset. And this one says converse. Get all these wrappers back in here. Okay. Yeah, so I'm really disappointed. I thought there was going to be 2 games in here. There's only 1. Oh, I lied. See, that was my bad, guys. Look, it came with Lego Batman and Pure in one. I'm so stupid. In one case. My bad, guys. I'm such a noob. So there's your unboxing. I'm very happy now. I'm still not happy about them changing the cords up and only giving you standard connection. How gay is that? I mean, you get your Elite and you don't have a freaking HD output. What the fuck is that? When there's no cables for that, that's ridiculous. It's probably gonna cost me like $50 for the cable. But you know, Merry Christmas, guys. I'm still happy, you know. I got 360 for free. I had to pay for it, and my parents got it for me. How nice of them. And I'm very thankful for that. And that will be your unboxing, guys. Oh, funny thing, I forgot about the 360. The whole point of this whole unboxing. Here's your 360 Elite, guys. With the 120 gigabyte hard drive. The black casing. Oh, they changed this a little bit. See, I totally remembered them having a gray casing for this. They switched that up. The first Mattie 360, that is. And take this sticker off right here. And so I may be selling this 120. Oh, you can see that 120 gigabyte hard drive. Because I'm buying the 250 gigabyte customized one that this guy has on eBay. I'll put a link in the description down there or on the side. It costs around 130 bucks, and way cheaper than the Modern Warfare ones that's going on sale on eBay. Hope you guys liked the unboxing of the Xbox 360 Elite plus the 2 free games. Like I said, guys, Merry Christmas, comment, rate, subscribe, and peace.